If you didn't see how I installed this no glue, no spray, glueless wig, the video's up now.
Blow dried it and flattened it with one pass. So we're going to get it back curly, as you can see. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna drench it in water. Okay, and now that it's a lot of water, you see curling back up. Start from ends to top and detangle it. I'm going to use this Garnier Fructis air dry cream. I don't got that much in here, so I hope there's enough for a full head. That's what I always use on all my curly wigs. And then I just, if I don't feel like waiting for it to curl up, I scrunch it up. And you see the curls coming back. And cue the music.
I'm talking crazy. I get you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you.
So this side is curly. So
my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed.
Alright, let me do my edges real quick and I'm coming back. This is how it came out. I decided to do a side part and I like it. I think it looks cute. These are the curls. And part 1 on how I did this glueless install, no spray, no glue, is up right now. Thanks for watching. I have a new video every single week. Toodaloo.